And we're back to learn CapCut in the year day 21. Let me show you how we can gradually zoom out. For example, using this clip, we go to the start position, and as long as it's selected in the timeline, we go to Video Basic and we can see the scale. Create a keyframe by clicking on the diamond icon, and then let us move forward, maybe up to here. And we'll scale it down to like 80%. This creates a new keyframe automatically. For the clip, we have a zoom out. But we also have a problem, and these are these black bars. And that's a problem that you're going to have with every clip, because by default the scaling is set to 100%. So this fills the canvas. Then we set it back to 100%. Let me delete the keyframes. I simply select them with the left click in the timeline and then I press the delete key. But I'm going to keep the first one at the start position. And to solve our issue with the black bars, we simply go up here. So we set it, for example, to 125. Then we move forward, create a new keyframe until we set it to 100%. So this is now our original size, and if I roll the clip, you can see we have a gradual zoom out and no black bars at all, because now we're scaling down from an upscaled value until we've reached the original size of 100%. So if you want to create this zoom out effect, always scale it up first, or otherwise you're going to have these black bars. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.